Hello YouTube. Now we got the Mustang, you know, and we got a Camaro today. And the Honda over here. Sexy, ain't it? We're doing a collab with Wrench Society. Yeah.
Hey, what's up guys? It's Wrench Society here. It's Osley. So what I've been doing with the Camaro lately is just basic stuff. I just recently fixed the AC the past 5 days, and now it's running smooth. It's running better than ever after, I say, 7-8 years with no AC in the car. It finally got done, and that's pretty much what I'm doing now, just chilling. It was a low-key thing. Only me and my dad were pretty much involved with it in the shop that fixed the AC for us.
Alright, could we go ahead and check the engine? Alright, here's the engine for the Camaro. It's pretty, ain't it? Let me walk around the car. It's nice and low. Unlike my Mustang here, look at the big wheel gap. Massive. I'll get it changed though. Tinted out, black and red, nice. Big speakers back here. Camaro. It's stock right now though, but in the future he'll install something like a new mod. And here is the Mustang now. It's a V6. Oh, I forgot to tell you, this is a 5.7 liter engine, man. This is a huge engine. Here's the Mustang, the V6. The V6. I'll be getting a new I got a new coil pack in here installed. I know it's dirty, but I'm gonna clean it soon. And I'm getting a new intake on Saturday. I already told you guys about that. And the new headlights came in yesterday. I'm gonna give you a walk around. And here we have a nice Honda. This side is pretty, man. Look at it, man. Check it out. It's pretty. All stock though, but it's pretty. Look at it. Sexy ass color, man. Look. Preview of the car. Nice speakers inside. See, look. It's pretty. Look at the exhaust. Dual exhaust. Look at mine. I have a single exhaust. That's bad. I need a dual. Like, look at the Camaro. There's 2 exhausts on it. It's beautiful out here, man. It's somewhere in Mexico. I'm not really sure because I followed Wrench Society. Man, look, hear that sound, man. Sounds amazing. It's a rough sound. Look at the paint job too. It's pretty, shiny. Unlike me, I need a new paint job. This shit just made me hella hot, you know? Yeah, bro, that shit.